welcome back! Nandito na naman kami. Nandito na naman kami. Last time, we did a video where Dan rates my outfits. Now, I did mention in that video if you guys want to, or no, actually, we just, like, I think I just mentioned that you should shop my clothes next time. Because he didn't like most of the clothes that I got for myself. He did the shopping for me. So these are the clothes that he wants me to wear na like I'm not like 100% comfortable. Anyway, I did not know what he picked kasi hindi ko siya tiningnan when he did the shopping. We got all these from Yes Time. So I will leave the links of the clothing in the description box. How was your shopping? How was your shopping? Why did you laugh?
It was good.
Was it good?
It was frustrating.
Why?
They have so many choices to choose from.
I know, it's good though.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Stressful.
Isang advice guys sa Yes Style, their shipping is really quick.
Yeah, it was actually. It was actually really good.
It was really quick.
Good.
I think less than a week, and this is from overseas. You just have to select the in-stock items. If it's 7 to 14 days, yun, natagal yun. Kasi 7 to 14 days pa. Pero choose the in-stock or 3 to 5 days. Most of these, ano siya, in-stock na item or 3 to 5 days yung shipping niya. So we got it like really quick. Okay, so Dan will show us what he got for me.
Did I choose this one?
I don't know, babe. Because I did choose some stuff.
I haven't seen these since... Yeah, I haven't seen these at all.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm excited. What's this one?
I gotta know. It's a red. I chose all dresses. That's one thing I do know.
Did you? Oh, this looks really big, babe.
It does, and it's a bloody small as well.
It's small. Yeah. See the struggle.
Jesus Christ, that's gonna be. That's probably fit me. That's gonna be too big for you. Seriously.
This is way too big. I will leave the links of the items below, guys. If you're interested.
It's a bit.
Do you want me to try it on?
Try it on. We'll check it out.
Okay.
Try it on. She's naked. Take your pants off, babe.
Oh my gosh.
Do it properly. I'm just trying to.
This is a romper, not a dress. Did you know that you got a romper? Actually, oh no, it's so big.
Yeah, I'm not loving it.
Lucky naman ito, babe.
Yes, it's not as big as it looks like when it's on now.
I know. The quality is really good. Feel it.
The quality's not bad.
And it has a lining as well, so it's really nice. Yeah.
Wow. I'm not loving it though.
Should I get the mirror?
No.
Why? You just judge it?
I judge it.
Okay.
I'll give it a 2 out of 5.
Alright.
Not loving it.
Okay.
Could be a lot better, but yeah.
Alright. Next.
Alright, next outfit. What's this?
Oh my gosh.
Wow! Alright, this one's a winner, I can tell. It's a little red dress.
You think I'm gonna wear this?
At home you can.
At home?
Now try this one on. This one's a winner. This is how guys shop for girls. Not that one.
You picked this one as well.
This
and
one
you
is
picked like burgundy and red.
Red's hot. Red's a hot colour.
Oh gosh. Okay, can you have
This is gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Okay.
I wanted you to wear all stuff like this. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Outfit of the day. We have a winner.
Oh my god.
How good does that look? Wow.
Oh my.
Very sexy. Sex appeal 10.
Too sexy.
This is what I like to see.
Really?
I do.
I could wear like a cardigan over this.
This looks sexy. This looks good.
The back, what do you think?
Yeah, I like it. Love
Nice quality as well.
Love
it. Is it see-through?
it. Love it. Yes, it is. Love it even more. Nah, it's not see-through. It's not see-through.
Oh,
I love it. This is great.
It actually looks nice.
It does look good.
Yeah.
It's like a lady of the night. It looks good. I like it.
I don't think I'm gonna be comfortable wearing
What are you
it.
comfortable? You can't see anything. You're covered up.
Yeah.
Your tits aren't hanging out.
My
Your
belly.
longer.
Yeah, I know. This
And
is
your belly's
like
good.
it's body hugging, but it's not like showing a lot of boobies.
Yeah,
so
it's nice.
It's nice.
It's
yeah.
really nice. If you want to get guys, round. Step 1. This. It's good. I like it.
Okay.
Alright, on to the next one. So that's going to be hard to beat.
Yeah.
Well, we have many little dresses in this pile. Nah, we'll see. We'll see. What's this one? Oh, this one's a nice one, actually.
Okay.
This is the one when you go to meet his parents, where it's sexy and sophisticated. Alright.
That looks a bit big.
It does, but what can we do?
Okay.
Alright, try that one, babe. I love that dress. Love it. Seriously, that's a good one. Don't give that to anyone. And while you're still skinny, that body's not gonna last forever. Oh, that's a nice dress as well.
Is it?
Yeah. This is a nice one.
It is actually.
It is actually quite nice. I like that one.
This fits. It's not like super body hugging. So
Yeah,
it's like,
he needs a bit more room.
yeah.
I do like it. You just need a big bust.
No, I think you can just sew it here.
And his booty's not bad. Maybe big booty as well. So big bust and big booty, and the waist is perfect.
Yeah. I don't have a flat booty though.
No, you don't have a flat, but you got a nice booty. But yeah.
Yeah.
No, I reckon this one. If you could just bring this in here,
Yeah.
I think it would be perfect.
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep it or bring it in?
I think I'm gonna bring it in. Maybe
Okay.
I'll just do it myself.
Yeah, I can give it a
See?
shot.
Nice.
Made in Korea.
Lin and Yang.
Ling Lang.
Lin and
Ling
Yang.
Lang. But that's a nice dress.
Yeah.
That's a good one. I like
I
that.
like the fabric. I like this like print.
Yeah, I like it as well. It's cool. Alright, next dress.
Good job. I think I picked this one.
You must have picked this one.
I don't think you picked
I
something
don't think
like this.
unless this is a dress. I don't
That's
think this
not
one.
a dress. That's a top.
Try it as a dress though.
Not fun.
And you know what? No point trying that on. I didn't pick that one, so that one doesn't count.
Wow, okay.
Doesn't count.
What's this one?
This one must be a little black dress. Every
you
girl
have-
needs a little black dress. Okay.
Whoa, no way.
Da, da,
Too
da, da.
much. Too much.
No such thing as too much. Beautiful. Love it. Alright, try it on. It's got a bit of padding up top, a bit of see-through here, and round. Oh, that's a nice dress to go out in. I'm serious.
Your face.
I like it.
Oh my goodness.
What's wrong? Everything's...
It's too much. No.
What's too much?
That's too much.
What's
man.
too
Look at
much?
my skin. Like, look.
What's too
I
much?
can see everything.
They can't see anything. All your bits are covered.
Ugh.
I
I
like
like
it.
the mesh though. The quality of this is really nice.
Now that's a nice dress.
And it fits me.
Yeah, that's a nice dress.
Yeah, it is nice, but I don't think I'll wear it.
Why?
Relax. Just relax.
Because it's nice stuff.
Kung petite kayo gaya ko and maliit, and nahihirapan kayo maghanap ng mga ganito, here, yes tayo.
If you're at a bar or a club, this is a nice dress to wear. It's sexy, but not slutty.
Okay.
It's true. It could be sluttier, but it's not.
Actually, the quality is really good.
It's nice.
And I like that the strap is not like thin strap as well. So, parang nag-a-add siya ng hindi siya ganun ka daring.
It's pretty much got a built-in bra.
It does.
Yeah,
Yeah. Meron siyang ano guys, padding. And then yung mesh niya, maganda din yung quality. Yung likod, elastic. It's the elastic, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I like it. Alright, this is, if you go to church on a Sunday like we will do, this is a nice church
Don't
dress.
joke around.
I'm not joking around. I'm going to church tomorrow. So when you go to church, this is a nice one. It says, I'm here to be good. Alright, try this one on, babe. This one's different.
Have you noticed that I don't have white dresses?
Yeah, because you always spill food on them, that's why. And your battery's going a bit flat as well.
I don't usually wear white dresses. I wear white top, but then with like black pants or that.
And then a trench coat, and then like a scarf, and then like 4 jumpers on top of it. And she looks stupid. Wow.
I don't think I like it.
No, I don't like it either.
Yeah. What do you think? Whoops! That's my brow. So it has like a lace meron
I don't
siyang
like
lace
it.
ganap.
Yeah, it's like a very Korean dress again. She's got that Korean feel
The
where,
back looks nice.
yeah, but
Maybe if it was a
looks
different,
looks like a tablecloth.
maybe if it was a different color and then it's like just a bit like tighter because now it's really loose. I think I would wear it.
Would you?
If it's a different color, yeah.
Okay.
But given that it's a bit tight though.
Yeah, I reckon that's a fail. I reckon I failed on that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fail.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, let's go with the next one. Are you gonna fix it your battery or not yet?
No.
This one might be your style. This one here I was thinking of what Raz likes to wear.
What is it? Shorts?
No.
No. Oh yes.
She likes this weird stuff. So
Or overall.
it's like an overall one.
I like it. And it's got flower. No.
Yeah, it's got flowers on it.
Embroidery.
Try that one on though. You might have to put a black t-shirt on. Or maybe not. I don't know.
Okay.
Do you like this?
Yeah, I like stuff like this.
Yeah.
As long as it fits.
So how do you do this up here?
I don't know. Oh, I think you gotta make your own hole.
Do you reckon?
Yes.
It's weird.
Doesn't have its own holes. So kailangan mo gawa ng own hole. I like this. Thank you, babe. No, I really like this. It's not too big as well. What's the size of this one?
They're all small.
They're all small?
They're all small.
Not extra small?
Some are extra small.
Yeah, no, I like it. Guys, it actually came with this. Hindi lang namin nakita kasi nasa likod siya ng tag na nakatikit siya, nakaganyan ba. But it comes with this. And it's got a big pocket.
To put your phone.
Your phone?
That's where your phone goes. Where's your phone? That's right.
Oh, nice!
Oh, that's a phone holder. Beautiful.
Beautiful. I like it.
Okay. Not bad. I'm not loving it, but it's your style. I got it for you, not for me, that one.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, I like that. I like the print. I got something similar last time. What is it?
I got no idea.
Another dress.
They're all dresses.
Oh, that looks big. But I like
They
that.
all look big, but looks like they all fit you not bad.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, this one's not bad.
That
It's
should
different.
fit.
I think I want to like this one. You ready? Catch.
I like this. I like the color, babe. So fresh.
That's alright. That fits.
I like it.
Yeah, that's nice. This is like a nice, if you're going on a picnic sort of dress, it reminds me of.
Yeah.
Or a first date with that lucky fella. We don't go on dates anymore. But like, this is good.
This fits. Thank you.
That's good. Like that. That looks good. I like that. That's a
Yeah.
nice dress. It's pretty, isn't it? It's a very pretty dress.
It is, yeah.
It's girly, a little bit sexy.
I like it.
But yeah, I like
It's not super tight fitting as well, so you know.
That's a nice one.
I
See,
actually
I
can
choose the
breathe.
clothes that are good.
This is good,
I
yeah.
always choose. Bloody hell.
This is nice. It's not too short. It doesn't show like a lot of skin. I really like this, guys. Akala ko kanina, ano siya? It's gonna be loose kasi it was not tight.
You can adjust it to your booby size.
Yeah. So, ganyan lang siya kanina. Tapos, kapag inano mo na siya, tinayo mo na siya, it actually fits really nicely. Nice! I like this one. Thank you.
Yeah, I like it. That one, 5 out of 5, then some. That's a good one.
I picked that one.
Rose picked this one. Do you want to try it on?
It looks big. I'll try it on.
I'm pretty confident it's going to fit. I'm so confident.
Oh, I should try this on with
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So this is Rachel's outfit, Chaka, but
Ito
try
yung pinili ko. Wait, is it too big dito?
No, it's not.
Ah, it's high-waisted.
Yeah, let's stay up
Yes. At least hindi siya sobrang short, gaya ng unang short na pinili ko
Okay.
last time. This is a nice.
This is cute. This is like your day-to-day when
It
you
is a nice summer outfit.
when you go to clean the house. This is something you'd wear when you're cleaning the house. Just something simple, a bit boring. A nice outfit to vacuum with. Vacuum.
I like this.
No, I
one.
like it. It is actually a nice little outfit to go.
Yeah.
It's a cute outfit. Good choice, babe. Good
It's
choice.
nice. I like it.
Yeah, good choice.
And it's not super, like, basta hindi siya ganun ka
Yeah,
loose. So,
And it is cute. I like it as well.
the quality is really nice.
Last one.
Akala ko ito na. Okay. I like this, guys. Sobrang ganda ng quality. And the shorts, they actually fit me and it's high-waisted. So you can tuck it in like that and then that's an outfit.
This is
I picked this. I
Is
love
it?
this.
Ray's picked this one as well. Try this one on with that.
Yeah, I think it will look really good.
I think it will as well.
Yeah. I don't think you like this, but I like it.
I like the other colour better. The pink
Yeah.
one. No, don't tuck it in. What the hell are you doing?
You tuck it in, so it's like, see?
You don't tuck it in.
And then the back, I like the back. Meron siyang mga buttons. Look.
It's okay. No, it's not bad.
I like it. See, I'll wear this.
The quality of your style, really good.
Actually,
It's
yes.
actually pretty good for an overseas
Yeah.
brand. It's
Yeah,
it's good.
It is actually really good.
Yeah.
Plus the shipping was really
Yeah.
great.
So
Yeah.
quality good, shipping good. Most of them look good. There was a few misses, but
And
some
it's
really good
not
ones.
pricey either. So the prices are reasonable.
Yeah, they're pretty good. Very good.
Please like this video if you want to see me shop for him.
No,
Say
no.
yes, no. Why no?
They won't have my size.
Ayaw niya.
I'm a medium. I'm a medium.
It is actually hard to find his size sa mga Asian websites. So, yeah. But still, like this video if you want to
Let
see.
us know what your favorite dress is as well.
Yeah.
What was yours? What was your favorite outfit?
This one.
This is probably mine as well, but that red little dress you wore is number 2.
Okay.
But that one's really nice. This one looked good. This one's a
Yeah.
nice one.
Because like, you know, I like it. And the red one I don't think I will wear, to be honest.
Oh, no, you gotta wear that.
Alright, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Mwah.
Mwah.
Sure.
Try. Alright, that's done.